Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the background of your picture on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button, and new you can select a photo from your gallery. Tap to the effects section next to the eraser button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and the last option, the background, and just pile the circle on the line, and you can set the background of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.